How to add cryptocurrency to your favorites on KuCoin. Are you using KuCoin app and want to quickly save a cryptocurrency to your favorites? Then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application and log into your account. Go to the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen after signing in. Now, once you're inside this favorite list, go ahead and click on the Markets tab from the top and select the cryptocurrency you want to add as favorite. Press and hold the cryptocurrency and click on the favorite button in the pop-up. Repeat this step for every other cryptocurrency you want to add to your favorite list. Once you do that, get back to your favorite list and refresh your page, and you'll be able to see the added cryptocurrencies. So that is how it's done. Repeat this for any coin you want to track, and it makes checking your portfolio much faster and easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching us.